To turn on or off Do Not Disturb mode on the Samsung S24 FE, start by opening Settings. Now move to Notifications, and right here select Do Not Disturb. Before you turn it on by using this switcher or turn it off, you can simply set it. So for how long you want to turn it on, you can turn it on for 1 hour, 2 hours, 5 hours, or you can get asked every time. Right here you can also set the schedule if you want. So we got the one sleeping schedule as default. So it's like every day from this time. You can delete this schedule or customize if you want by selecting or unselecting specific days. And you can set what you want to allow during the Do Not Disturb mode. So we can allow for some calls and messages, app notifications, alarms, and sounds. And as you can see, in this case we got alarms and the media sound allowed. But if you want to turn them off, you can for sure do this. And you can even hide the notifications if you want by clicking on this switcher. And right now you can simply turn it on, click here, and when the Do Not Disturb mode is turned on, you can find this icon in this left upper corner. So that will be all, and thanks for watching.